So at least now we can see a bit more, not so many clouds. So just look the true color of this beautiful lake here. You can see the snow in the background. And our amazing group there. Hey, hello! And once you think you get better weather, this is what's happening. You cannot see a lake again. That's mountains for you, Himalayas. So we arrived at the third lake, Gokyo, and Kancha, my younger brother, gonna be able to tell us more. I hope you can hear it well because we've got really strong wind and snow. But okay, let's listen to Kancha.
Okay, this is called Gokyo. Maximum length is 1000 meters and its maximum depth 43 meters.
Okay, thanks.